In today's method, you will be able to start making a passive income that can go up to $100 a day, and that you are doing absolutely nothing for. We will make an effort during the first few days to set up this method correctly, but once it takes off, you will start seeing the money come in. And believe me, just like it did to me, this method will change your life. But I really need to tell you this. I noticed that a lot of you guys watching my videos are expecting some magical method that will make you rich just by clicking one button. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if money was that easy to get, everyone would already be rich by now. You have to keep in mind that if you don't put in the effort, you'll never make it. Just food for thought. I don't really like bullshitting you guys like most of the other YouTubers that make money online videos. I'm doing the research for you, so go ahead and do your part, and I'd love to see you all make lots of money. Anyways, in this video, I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I'll show you some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize the earnings. And like most of the videos that we upload on our channel, this method is 100% free, and you won't need any credit cards or online banking accounts to start making money online with this method. It also works worldwide, so you have actually no excuse of not making this work. Hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. So for step 1, we have to go to this website called SocialPilot. And that's at SocialPilot.com. This is the most cost-effective marketing tool available on the internet. This is a social media management application that will automatically help you grow and manage your social media accounts. Now remember, you do not need any social media accounts for this. Do you need to put in money for this tool? No. Do you need any social media following? No, you don't. Because I'm going to show you a simple method that will allow you to generate hundreds of dollars for free using this platform. And as you can see, you can link as many social media accounts as you like, and sending more accounts means getting more money. This platform is the dream for any social media manager. It provides in-depth analytics that can't be accessible otherwise. People can efficiently engage with their social inboxes, collaborate with things, and manage clients, but instead of paying a social media company to do that work, they can just use this platform and it will be 1,000 times cheaper, believe me. So you can build a business around SocialPilot, find clients that require social media management, and do it for them using SocialPilot. You can basically become a social media manager as a beginner and use this platform to manage customers' social media accounts, but that requires patience and hard work, and that's not what today's method is about. For the sake of today's video, we will not focus on that business model. Instead, we will be doing something else, and that is to visit SocialPilot.com and go all the way to the bottom of the page. And just below the company area, choose affiliate program. And I'll show you how you can set up this affiliate network on autopilot with different websites where we can get traffic to our affiliate link, and you can see that you will receive 30% commission as income on SocialPilot subscription sales. And if you look at their pricing plan, you can see that it can go up to $1,000 a year because this is $85 a month, but annual billing, which means they need to pay for the entire year at once, which is 12 months. So from $1,000 a year, you're making 30% off of that, which is $300 just by referring one single person. Because if they're investing $85 a month, they have clients paying them thousands of dollars each for a single social media account, where they can make a lot of money. You'll be able to receive a lot of recommendations and referrals, and if you end up referring 100 people to this platform, that's an easy $3,000 every month. And you don't have to lift a finger. That's like $100 a day completely passively. You can close your laptop, turn off your computer, or put away your phone, and you'd still be able to get $100 every single day. So unlike other websites on SocialPilot.com, you don't have to wait for approval or anything. You can simply take your affiliate link, which will be right here, and that's instantly. You can start making money as fast as possible. So all you have to do is copy this affiliate link, and if someone clicks on it, if they sign up, you can possibly earn up to $300. But wait, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on this channel about how to make money online. The The goal of EarnPal is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work, so I would appreciate it, guys, if you go ahead, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So once you sign up, grab your referral link and this is what your dashboard will look like. You can track your referrals, clicks, and how much money you've made so far, which is obviously going to be $0 because this is a brand new account that was created like 2 seconds ago. So you're thinking to yourself, nobody will pay for this. Well, you're absolutely wrong because a lot of people are social media managers on the internet. Those people make thousands of dollars, even tens of thousands of dollars every single month if they have several clients. And what is $85 a month in expenses if it's going to make their workflow a lot more productive? Believe me, as long as you follow the steps in this video, you will get to the point where you can start making money from this method. Now, all you have to do is start driving traffic to your special affiliate links where you can earn $300 per person you refer. And I'm about to show you how you can reach out to hundreds of thousands of targeted people who will benefit from SocialPilot and will continue to use it because they see it as an investment. And as they continue to use it, you will get recurrent commissions. That means commissions are going to keep coming every single month from the same people. All you have to do is refer people once and you will earn recurrent commissions every single month and every single year, and it will literally take you less than 15 minutes. If you only convince one person to sign up, you've already made $300. This is a better traffic source to employ than certain freelancing companies where people do their own social media management. And now you can give them a tool that will do all of the work for them, and it will allow them to have a lot more clientele. As you can see, these guys are literally charging hundreds of dollars for this one service. If this person is charging $50 per customer, they will literally jump on the opportunity to use SocialPilot because it's going to help them be more productive and have more customers. They can automate the entire process and have 100 clients a month or even more, and that's an easy extra $5,000 for them. And all they need to do is buy $85 subscription on SocialPilot. It's a no-brainer for these guys. You will not have to sell anything on these freelancing websites. Instead, you will simply recommend these sellers and freelancers to your referral link of SocialPilot.com. And as a result to that, you can earn $300 for each person you refer. Now, some of the freelancing websites that you can use are quickandgigs.com, freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com, fiverr.com. You currently have a lot of potential signups or people who can potentially sign up, and all you need to do is reach out to these freelancers and provide them with your affiliate link. You can tell them something like, this tool will help you automate the entire process. That way you can manage to have more customers and eventually make more money. I know that 24 hours a day is not enough, so let me know if you're down to try something new. Also, make sure that you do not put your affiliate link there. Instead, just put your email address or Instagram at. You can also use websites like upwork.com. There are a lot of other websites, like I said earlier, peopleperhour.com, fiverr.com. As you can see, if you search for social media manager here on Fiverr, for example, you will find a lot of people who are offering this service, and you can contact all of them and provide them with your referral link, and they will benefit from it. They will see it as an investment, and these are people who actually have money to buy the service, not someone that doesn't have money, because we can see how many orders and reviews they have. They must have made thousands of dollars already this month, and they will be grateful for SocialPilot.com. They will definitely know that you're an affiliate, but a lot of people support others who try to make an honest income. And as a result of all of this, these freelancers no longer need to do the work themselves, and that means they can get more customers and make more money. So you're assisting these freelancers, business owners, and individuals in earning more money by working less. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you found value in today's video. And before we go, support us by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, also liking the video and leaving a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow as always for a new video. Take care.